to our video series on learning the basics of the English language for beginners. In this series, we will cover various essential concepts that are crucial for anyone looking to improve their English language skills. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to refresh your knowledge of English, our series will help you build a strong foundation in the language. Our series will cover topics such as greetings and introductions, basic grammar, vocabulary, shopping, weather, tourism and travel, family and relationships, ordering food, and hobbies and interests. Each video will feature two persons engaging in a conversation related to the topic at hand. These conversations will provide you with practical examples of how to use English in real-life situations and help you develop your listening and comprehension skills. We understand that learning a new language can be challenging, and that's why our videos will be easy to follow and engaging. We will break down each concept into simple and manageable parts, ensuring that you understand the fundamental principles before moving on to more complex topics. We are excited to embark on this journey with you and help you improve your English language skills. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started.
Hi David, how are you?
Hi Sarah, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, just studying English. How about you?
Same here, I've been trying to improve my English as well.
That's great. What's your plan?
I'm planning to subscribe this YouTube channel. And you?
I will subscribe to this channel as well.
That's good, let's learn together. We welcome feedback, suggestions, and comments from our audience, and we are committed to continuously improving our channel and providing valuable content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to entertaining and educating you through our videos.